Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today is our opening show night officially, and it's also the first day that we are resuming cruising with guests. So today is June 12th, 2021, and yeah, we have our first show tonight. We have our new muster station drill procedure happening this afternoon, and just thought it'd be fun to bring you along for the day. It's an exciting day. It's a big moment for the fleet, and I've already got my uniform on, so but we have a meeting, so we're gonna go to our meeting now. Today is the big day. He's ready.
You guys are so like.
For my vlog.
Wait, shut it.
Hey!
Basketball shorts on.
Yay! First day back.
Opening day.
It is really happening, and people signing on and everything. So, what I want to start with, we have.
We had our cast meeting, and then I went to staff mess for a bite to eat. Now we have drill, so I have to go pick up the PDAs and everything else we need for our new system in place. Got the uniform on still. So we always have our name tag that says obviously my name, what department, and where I'm from, but we have a new pin as well, and that is the smile behind the mask. So since we have to wear a mask, we got our picture taken, and this is what we have to wear now. I've got my Lulu joggers on that I bought before I came, and then my white sneaks. So this is the ensemble, and it's time for drill. First drill back in 15 months. It's crazy. All done with drill. I am back in my cabin, all done with my little shift 4-packs drill, and it went pretty smoothly actually, the brand new system we have in place. And it was so nice to see guests just really excited to be on board, and I actually got to meet a few viewers, which was so cool and just a really crazy moment for me. So that was really nice. But now I have to get ready for the show. So we only have one show tonight, but I have to do hair and makeup before warm-up ice. I have quite a bit of time till warm-up ice, but yeah, gonna get ready. I am show ready, or mostly. I have my hair and my makeup done. I have to add my lips, of course. And I did also add some hooks to my fishnets. This took me over an hour. I don't know why it was so hard for me to do, but I started to lose my patience. But yeah, now I've got real hooks, no more janky little safety pins on the bottom. But yeah, it's like 5:30 now, and I cannot believe I haven't had coffee today. Don't know how that happened, but I have warm-up ice soon, so I'm probably going to chug a couple bottles of water. So I just got these little powder packets. You just add them to water, and they're so delicious. So I'm gonna pack one of these in my bag with me so that I can have this either before or after warm-up ice.
No actions required. Documented.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
That's it. I've preset everything, the fabric, my costumes. This is what backstage looks like. I mean, just some of the props around, the stairs for the stage, Chagall, concert piece, nothing too exciting. And then this is how we get from backstage to the ice. And the boys are warming up.
Hey Adventure Cast, we are so excited for your upcoming opening cruise. It was such a pleasure to work with you. We had so much fun.
We did. We had so much fun, guys. And congratulate you on being the first ice show to open with World Caribbean.
Yay, adventure! Make us proud. Miss you.
Yes.
Ready?
For the
Magic. What do we do?
This is a Clorox wipe to make sure everything.
let's do comeback cast for now.
1, 2, 3. Comeback cast!
Yes. All right, guys, let's do this.
Set some Toulouses.
Oh my god, that was so sexy the way you did that. Really? Oh, yeah. You're like...
But I can. The Toulouses set.
She's like, how's this? It's We did it. We opened, and I cried a little bit.
She's so crying.
As you can see, my mascara is
I see a tear on your cheek.
I don't know if it's sweat or if it's...
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. You are quite sweaty, but
No, it's a tear.
Oh man.
Heart-rending moment.
Okay.
Oh, feels good.
Good job, guys.
I once lost it.
My hair is a disaster right now.
Honestly, when I'm nervous,
after breaking.
That was such a good show, and the audience was great, and I'm a bit emotional. I love to skate. I love to skate.
One second. 3 steps.
I have something for you.
Oh my
What?
god.
Champagne. 1,
Pringles.
Oh, you went and got snacks. That's
2.
funny.
Oh.
What is this for?
Are you rich or something?
3.
What is this for? Oh my god, where did you get that?
Four. Hey!
What? Is this from you?
It is not ready. Oh my god. But also,
Film it!
wait, is this
Can I see that snack?
Oh, you even have a little card.
I want to vlog.
Oh,
People
she's
bring you
gonna
free
cry.
stuff.
What is?
Oh, then that doesn't
let me enough to do
count. Oh my god, they're so cute.
They did that for my last opening night, but it was my first one, so I didn't know they would do it again.
Why is my mom not like that?
How did they get it here? How did they get it?
Crazy.
I'm not over it. I love my parents. They're so nice. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Okay, time for show food. Smorgasbord.
Nice.
Natasha will get me Fanta, and it almost worked.
But
almost doesn't count.
almost does not count.
It has an aiming problem, so...
Hello. Good. Thank you. Hello. It's our first time on land in over a month. Or maybe 2 months? 1.5 months. It's a big day. It's our first port day. We're in Cococay. It was storming this morning, but now the sun is out and I'm pleased. So we're gonna have a great beach day. There she is. Oh my god, my voice is like so cracky today. I don't know why. More friends are here.
Yeah.
Land.
So like, do they go up in that balloon?
We're here. We're at South Beach. This is for the crew only. This is so nice. Look at that water. Can't get over it. I thought Maciek was really relaxed. Turns out he's just asleep. He's out like a light. Hello, how are we doing?
Having the perfect day at cococay.
Absolutely perfect day. This morning, not so much. Now,
It's pouring.
I literally I stepped 1 foot off the gangway and I saw it was pouring and I was like, nope.
Oh
no,
gosh.
no, nope.
No, later it is. And now it's like perfectly sunny.
It's actually
and
like
warm.
super sunny, super warm, getting our tan.
Yes, ready for tomorrow as well.
I know, actually. I'm like, we have a show tomorrow, but I'm getting off.
That's how I am right now. 2 shows later, but I need
Opening
it.
night for
Opening
you.
night.
Yay!
Yes. Very excited.
But yeah, this is nice. This is great. All we need is a drink.
Yes.
Arch your back more.
I lost one. It's not showing us though. Did he drink yesterday?
No. Well, yeah, but no.
Got your homework done? Not all of it, but I got it like from Ace.
Welcome to Sweet Life on Deck, semester at sea.
Right? The best life.
Doing homework on the beach.
I've never thought I would do homework in the Bahamas.
This is so funny. Do you ever just look at this and realize this is our life? This is our life. I'm getting paid to be here right now. Right?
This is great.
Life is good.
Mermaid.
Oh, this is the life, man. I'm so content. This is all I need is a beach and some sunshine. Mermaids? Oh my god, it's 2 live mermaids. Look at how perfect the water is.
Funny one? Silly?
Yeah.
But Gabriel, you know.
No, I wasn't laughing at you, sorry.
No, it's okay. It was a funny joke, I think.
Here he goes. Come on.
Are we going?
Yep.
Oh my god! Oh my! I hate this! I hate this! I'm doggy paddle too! I doggy paddle!
Come on. Help me. Come on. Give me your hand.
I feel like hyperventilating.
These guys think you're crazy.
Lifeguards like gonna save me.
Yay. We're not afraid of the ocean.
If I put one foot out, maybe they'll eat one of my feet, not both. No one's gonna eat me because my feet are out of the water. Help me! Help! Jack! 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 Jack, I'm drowning!
It's literally 8:30 and I'm already in my pajamas. But yeah, I had such a good day today. Like, cococay was absolutely perfect. Perfect day, cococay. But honestly, like, I had just such a good time and it was so much needed. That was the first time I've stepped foot on land in almost 2 months of being on board, which is crazy. So it was just really nice to be able to get off and to just enjoy the beach and relax a bit. I am very grateful that they sectioned off a part of cococay for the crew to enjoy, and we are actually there again tomorrow. So we have a show, but I'm planning on getting off for a few hours to enjoy some more. But when I got back, all I did was basically, I went to the gym, took a shower, went to eat in the staff mess, and then quickly went to the promenade and shopped around a little bit because we have access to the shops and there were quite a few sales going, so I did get a few things. Kind of was playing Russian roulette with my card because I don't know how much money I have left on it, but it went through, so that is what matters. I didn't get much, but I wasn't planning on buying anything, so first thing I got was just the Vera Wang Princess perfume, and guess how much I got this for? $6. I got this for $6. I don't know how much the retail price is, but I know it's way more than that. So thought this was a great deal. I couldn't pass up. And then I bought another makeup eraser. I did buy one of these at home, but I left it at home. I don't know why I didn't pack it. So this was on clearance for $4. Great deal. And then lastly, I just got another beauty blender because I go through these like crazy. I do have two right now that I bought before coming, but I know as the contract goes on, I'm gonna need a new one and they probably won't be on sale. This is originally $20 in the shops, which I would not be paying, and I got it for $4. So that's my little mini haul. But I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed these last 2 days. These were the first 2 days with guests on board and just crazy to be back and just such a good feeling. And I'm truly so happy to be here. I'm literally gonna hop into bed, start editing a video, maybe watch some Sex and the City and call it a night. But if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my life at sea, because I've got 9 more months of this. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your love and support. And to anyone that I've met so far on this cruise that has come up to me and talked to me, thank you. Like, it's such a weird feeling to be recognized because I'm just me, you know, no one special. But yeah, super cool. So if you watch this and you are planning on cruising and you see me, please come say hi because I love meeting people and talking to people. But okay, that's enough rambling. I'm gonna wrap it up. I love you guys, moon and back, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.